Hello, respected advocates. This is Sampurna. My name is Sam from Honey Software Company. Today, I will show you how to use the associates or junior lawyers for assigning your cases and creating their accounts. It will be very small video actually. So you can see after login, you can see this screen. You need to just go here and click on Add Associate. Whenever you add the associate, you will have to give three things. One is his or her email ID. So let's say it is the email ID is whatever dummy email ID is there, and associate name is dummy associate August 20, and contact number is something, anything like whatever is the contact number, and just click on save button. So as soon as you click the save and data is valid, it will say associate account has been created successfully, and it will be added to your associates list. So you can have as many associates as you want. Currently we have not given any kind of restrictions, but don't create many associates which are of no use, because they will not be able to register using that email and mobile number on our website if you do that actually. So you see the latest associate is added at the end, and one email is shooted to that associate mentioning his username and password. Actually it is done in the background, so that person will, if the email ID is valid, that person will get the email login account with valid URL, so he can come and log in and see what cases are assigned to them. So the difference between the lawyer account and the associate account is, associate will be able to only see whatever is allowed to see. That means if you assign the cases to that associate, then only he will be able to see the cases, otherwise he will not be able to see. And you are able to see these many tabs, that associate will not be in a capacity to see all those tabs. He will be able to only see only one tab, which is my cases and the cases which are assigned to him. So now the next step you have to do is to make use of these associates like they are your helping hands. You want them to see some cases, take care of those cases on your behalf. So what you will have to do is go to your cases list and assign the cases to that associate so that they can take care. What we do is, generally whenever you assign the cases, we start sending the SMS and emails related to that case to that particular associate. So one case can be assigned to one associate. There cannot be multiple associates. So if you want to assign one case to one associate, that's fine. If you want to assign that same case to another associate, we don't allow. You will have to remove that associate and change it from the edit case page. There is the edit case option, you can do it. So now here you see there is the fourth last option wherein you can assign this case to associate. Just click on it. It will send you to the edit case page, and you see there are some options like case name, case number, what are you using this for, and all that. So these are the dummy accounts, so don't worry about the namings and all. If you see here, case assigned to was self, and I have just created this dummy associate August 20 account, and I just need to click on update. That's it. Once I click update, it is assigned to that associate, and again that one mail will be sent to that associate mentioning that particular advocate has assigned the case to you, and you will get the updates going further. And if you see here in the remarks, you can see dummy associate is assigned the case. This case, whatever is the case, it will be assigned to the dummy advocate, and his account is created. He can log in, he can see, and he will get the emails going further until you remove that associate, or you let's say you do not you need to unassign that case actually. Otherwise he will be getting the updates on his mobile as well as in email ID. So take care. If you want to remove, you need to be very cautious and understand what are the consequences. Let's say that associate has left the job or he is not practicing with you. You need to remember and remove it. So by the way, you will also get the email, and you will also understand that this associate is getting the mails or not, because whenever the daily report comes to your email ID on your mobile, it clearly mentions that this case is assigned to so and so advocate. So you just need to keep a tab on this thing, that the record actually. Okay, so I'm closing this video. If you have any questions, you can just call us or send an email to our support email ID, which is provided in the description of this email in this video. Thank you very much.